Yeah. Yes, children, today we shall discuss the median of a triangle. So let us find out what is the median of a triangle. So first, what do? We draw a triangle. This is a triangle. Okay. Let us name the vertices of the triangle. A, B and C. Now this is the vertex and opposite side to this vertex is BC. Let us find the midpoint of BC. Maybe midpoint of BC is this, suppose. Now you join this one. Let's mark this as point D. So this AD is the median of the triangle. So how do we define what is median? This is a line segment joining the vertex and midpoint of opposite side of the triangle. Okay. So we define median as the line segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of opposite side of the triangle. Okay. Now triangle has three sides. It has three vertices. So we can draw how many medians? Let us see. First median we have drawn this one. Now vertex B is here. Opposite side to vertex B is AC. Let us find the midpoint of AC. Suppose this is the midpoint of AC. Mark this point as E. Now join BE. Okay. Now the third vertex is C. The opposite side to vertex C is AB. Let this be the midpoint. Now join this. So this is the third median. So in a triangle, how many medians are there? First median, second median, third median. So a triangle has three medians. Now we see that these three medians intersect at this point. Let this point be O. So this point of intersection of these three medians is called the centroid. So we write point of intersection of three medians is called centroid, and this lies in the interior of the triangle, which lies in the interior of the triangle. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, the three medians are AD, BE and CF. Point of intersection is O. O is the centroid of the triangle ABC. Now we will see where centroid lies in obtuse angle, right angle and acute angle we have already seen. Angle, triangle. Alright. So I'll draw obtuse angle. Right? Let us name it A, B, C. We start with vertex B. Midpoint of AC is somewhere here. Let us mark this point as D. So now you join BD. This is the first median. Now let us take A. Opposite side is BC. Let us mark the midpoint of BC. Say this is the midpoint of BC. So mark it E and join AE. Okay. Now let us see the third point. Third point is C. And the midpoint somewhere this is the midpoint. So now we join this. Okay. So this is the third median. Let us mark it F. Point of intersection here is O. So what do we see? That in obtuse angle triangle, all the three medians intersect at one point O, which is in the interior of the triangle. So in triangle ABC, which is obtuse angled triangle, medians are AE, BD, CF, which meet at point O, which lies in the interior of the triangle. Okay. Now let us see the next figure, right angled triangle. This is a right angled triangle. Let us name it A, B and C. Now this is the vertex B. Opposite side AC. Let us take the midpoint. Let it be this one. Now let this point be D. Join BD. Okay. Now take this vertex C. Opposite side is AB. Find the midpoint and join it. Okay. Now the third vertex is A. Opposite side is BC. Find the midpoint. Midpoint is somewhere here. Mark this point as F. Join AF. So this is the third median. So all the three medians intersect at point O. So what do we observe in this? The centroid lies in the interior of the triangle ABC. So in right angled triangle ABC, AF, BD, CE are the three medians intersecting at point O, which lies in the interior of the triangle. Okay, O is the centroid. And the acute angled triangle we have already seen earlier, so we will not repeat it. So what do we finally observe? We observe that the three medians of the triangle lie in its interior and their point of intersection, that is centroid, also lie in the interior in acute, obtuse and right triangles. Okay. Now let us start think, discuss and write, page number 114. The first question, how many medians can a triangle have? So let us draw first the triangle. Mark this as A, B and C. Now draw the three medians. A is the vertex, midpoint of BC is this one. Join it. Mark it D. Now B is here, opposite side is AC, midpoint of AC is somewhere here. Mark it E. Join it. Third vertex is C here, opposite side is AB, somewhere midpoint is this. Now join this. Mark it F. So what do we observe here? A triangle has how many medians? 1 median, 2 median and 3 medians. So answer is a triangle can have 3 medians. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Does a median lie wholly in the interior of the triangle? If you think that is not true, draw a figure to show each case. Okay. Now we have already seen this and we have earlier studied that in obtuse angle and right angle, the centroid is lying in the interior. So we say that median lie wholly in the interior of the triangle. Let us show in obtuse angle and right angle. See here, this is the obtuse angle. Mark it A, B, C. Vertex B, midpoint of AC is somewhere here. Join it. Vertex A, midpoint of BC is somewhere here. Join it. Then vertex C, midpoint of AB is somewhere here. Join it. So what do you observe? That all the three medians, they lie in the interior and the centroid also lies in the interior. Now let us draw a right angled triangle. Name it A, B, C. B is the vertex, opposite side is AC, mark the midpoint of AC, let it be this. Mark it D, join BD, this is the first median. Now vertex A, opposite side is BC, this is the midpoint of BC, mark it E and join AE. Now vertex C, opposite side is AB, find the midpoint of AB, let it be F, join CF. So what do we observe? That the three medians BD, AE and CF, they lie inside the triangle and their point of intersection O also lies in the interior. So this is the case of right angle triangle. Acute angle I will not separately take because already we have discussed here that acute angle, the medians, all the three medians and the centroid lies in the interior of the triangles. So thus we conclude that median lie wholly in the interior of the triangle. Okay. So this is all about the medians. In the next class I will take up altitude of the triangle.